Open-plan living has become a defining feature of modern homes, particularly in urban environments where space efficiency and visual openness are highly valued. Among the most popular configurations is the integration of the kitchen and dining area into one cohesive space. When approached with a minimalist philosophy, this layout can feel calm, elegant, and highly functional without appearing cold or unfinished. A modern minimalist open-plan kitchen and dining area is not about having less for the sake of it, but about choosing thoughtfully, arranging intentionally, and allowing each element to serve both aesthetic and practical purposes. Understanding the essence of modern minimalism. Modern minimalist design is rooted in clarity, balance, and purpose. In an open-plan kitchen and dining layout, this means clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and a limited but harmonious palette of materials and colors. The goal is to create a space that feels light and open while still being warm and inviting. Every object, from cabinetry to lighting fixtures, should earn its place within the room. Rather than focusing on decoration, modern minimalism emphasizes proportion, natural light, and the relationship between different zones. The kitchen and dining area must function independently, yet feel visually unified, creating a seamless transition between cooking, eating, and socializing. Planning a layout with clear zones. One of the most important steps in designing an open-plan kitchen and dining area is defining zones without using physical barriers. This can be achieved through layout planning, furniture placement, and subtle visual cues. The kitchen zone should prioritize efficiency, while the dining area should feel comfortable and relaxed. Kitchen islands often serve as a natural divider, offering additional workspace while visually separating cooking and dining functions. Alternatively, changes in ceiling height, lighting styles, or flooring textures can gently signal transitions between areas without interrupting the open feel. The key is to guide movement and use intuitively, allowing the space to flow naturally. Choosing a cohesive color palette. Color plays a central role in maintaining harmony in an open-plan design. A modern minimalist palette typically relies on neutral tones such as white, soft gray, beige, or muted earth colors. These shades reflect light effectively, making the space feel larger and calmer. To avoid monotony, subtle contrast can be introduced through darker cabinetry, natural wood accents, or matte black details. The kitchen and dining areas should share the same base colors to ensure visual continuity, while variations in texture and finish add depth and interest without overwhelming the design. Selecting materials that balance warmth and precision. Minimalist interiors often risk feeling sterile if materials are chosen without care. In an open-plan kitchen and dining layout, combining sleek modern finishes with warm, tactile materials creates balance. Smooth cabinetry, stone countertops, and metal fixtures can be softened with wood dining tables, fabric seating, or textured wall finishes. Natural materials such as wood, stone, and ceramic add character and longevity to the space. Their subtle imperfections bring a sense of authenticity that complements the clean geometry of modern design. Consistency in material choice across both zones reinforces the idea of one unified environment. Streamlining storage for a clutter-free look. Clutter is the greatest enemy of minimalist design, especially in an open-plan setting where everything is visible. Smart storage solutions are essential to maintaining a calm and orderly appearance. Built-in cabinetry, concealed appliances, and handleless doors help keep the kitchen visually clean. In the dining area, storage should be discreet and purposeful. Sideboards or wall-mounted cabinets with simple forms can house tableware and linens without drawing attention. The aim is to keep surfaces clear, allowing the architecture and materials to take center stage. Integrating lighting for function and atmosphere. Lighting in an open-plan kitchen and dining area must address both practical needs and ambience. A layered lighting approach works best, combining general, task, and accent lighting. Recessed ceiling lights provide overall illumination, while under-cabinet lighting supports food preparation tasks. Above the dining table, a minimalist pendant or linear light fixture can act as a focal point, subtly anchoring the dining zone. Warm light tones help soften the space, making it more inviting during evenings. Consistency in lighting design ensures that the entire area feels connected rather than segmented. Selecting furniture with clean lines and comfort. Furniture choices should reflect the principles of modern minimalism: simplicity, functionality, and comfort. In the dining area, tables with clean silhouettes and chairs without excessive ornamentation work best. Materials such as solid wood, metal, or molded composites align well with minimalist aesthetics. Comfort should never be sacrificed for style. Well-designed seating encourages longer, more relaxed meals and social interactions. Keeping furniture proportions appropriate to the space ensures that the open plan remains airy and uncluttered. Managing visual flow and sight lines. Because open plan spaces are experienced as a whole, visual flow is critical. Sight lines from one end of the room to the other should feel intentional and pleasing. Tall elements such as cabinets or shelving should be carefully positioned to avoid blocking light or creating visual heaviness. Aligning key elements, such as the kitchen island with the dining table, helps create a sense of order. Repetition of shapes, colors, or materials across both areas strengthens visual coherence and reinforces the minimalist concept. Adding personality through subtle details. Minimalism does not mean eliminating personality. In fact, carefully chosen details can make an open-plan kitchen and dining area feel uniquely personal. A single piece of artwork, a sculptural vase, or a thoughtfully selected centerpiece can add character without cluttering the space. The key is restraint. Rather than many small decorative items, opt for a few meaningful elements that complement the overall design. This approach maintains simplicity while allowing the space to reflect the homeowner's taste and lifestyle.